Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your voice using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and your audio file is loaded, you'll need to select the portion you want to modify. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all of the audio, or simply double-click on the audio track itself. Alternatively, if you only want to change a specific section, you can click and drag to highlight just that part of your recording. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This is where all the audio manipulation tools are located. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo. This will reveal another submenu with several options. Go ahead and select Change Pitch from this list. This tool allows you to modify how high or low your voice sounds without affecting the speed of your audio. A new window will open up with various controls. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a slider that controls the pitch adjustment. Take a moment to adjust this slider to modify your voice. Feel free to explore different settings and see what sounds interesting to you. The slider lets you make your voice sound deeper or higher pitched depending on which direction you move it. If you want to hear how your adjustments sound before committing to them, click the preview button located in the bottom left corner of the window. This lets you listen to a short sample of your modified audio. If you're not satisfied with how it sounds yet, go ahead and adjust the slider again to fine-tune the pitch, then click preview once more to hear the updated result. Keep tweaking until you find a sound you're happy with. Once you're okay with how that preview sounds, click Apply in the bottom right. This will process your audio and apply the pitch change to your selected portion. Give it a moment while Audacity applies these changes to your track. Next, click Effect in the top toolbar again. Hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo once more, but this time select Change Speed and Pitch. This effect gives you control over how fast or slow your audio plays, which can dramatically alter how your voice sounds. Use the slider to adjust the speed to your liking, then click Preview to hear how it affects your voice. When you're satisfied with the result, click Apply in the bottom right to make these changes permanent. Now for one more transformation, click Effect in the top toolbar again. Hover over Pitch and Tempo and this time select Change Tempo. Unlike changing speed, adjusting tempo affects the pace of your audio without changing the pitch, giving you yet another way to modify your voice. Use the slider to adjust the tempo, then click Preview to listen to the effect. Feel free to explore different settings or adjust the slider based on your preferences until you achieve the sound you're looking for. Once you've found the perfect tempo adjustment, click Apply in the bottom right. And there you have it, you've successfully transformed your voice using multiple effects in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.